I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy government land in Andhra Pradesh. First, identify the specific government department responsible for land allocation and sales. This is crucial for understanding the process. Next, look for official announcements regarding land auctions or schemes. These are usually published in local newspapers or on government websites. It's important to stay informed about these opportunities. Once you've identified the relevant department, search their official portals for current land sale notifications. These notices will detail the land parcels available, their location, and the purpose for which they are being sold. Pay close attention to the eligibility criteria, as some land may be designated for specific groups or income levels. Gather all required documents, such as identification and proof of residence, to prepare your application. After confirming your eligibility and gathering documents, submit your application as per the instructions. If the land is sold via auction, you'll need to register and participate in the bidding process. Be prepared to pay an earnest money deposit, which is a percentage of the bid amount. It's highly advisable to consult with a legal expert to review all terms and conditions before making any financial commitments. This ensures a smooth and legally sound transaction. Once your bid is successful, you must complete the full payment within the specified period. Following payment, the next critical step is to register the land title in your name at the local sub-registrar's office. This legally transfers ownership. You will also need to ensure the mutation of records in the Land Revenue Department, updating the ownership details. Remember to account for stamp duty and registration fees, which are essential costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.